admired Pamela Anderson iconic musty bun from the 90s, you're in the right place. This look gives you that perfect 90s Y2K vibe, plenty of volume, face framing strands, and that no effort, all style vibe. Later, I'll be taking this style out to a cover Girl and Sally Hansen event so you can see how well it holds up throughout the night.
The theme is floral, something bright. I'm putting flowers all over my hair.
All you have to do is put your hair in a high ponytail. Put your scrunchie very loosely. You don't have to wrap it twice, just one time is enough. Leave some loose curls all the way around. And then I got my cute ass big clip. I'm gonna link it for you here. It's so cute, and I just lined it up right where the scrunchie is at. Then I got those tiny little flower clips and I just put them everywhere.
Wearing my hair literally like a crown. Like a crown. I like it.
This is heavy. The energy was amazing. Everyone was so welcoming and they even offered to do my makeup. I asked for just the eyes, but they went all out and it felt incredible.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
They even had people helping with recording, which really added to the fun, especially if you're an introvert. The colors and setup was gorgeous, making the whole space feel vibrant and exciting. The event celebrated Hispanic heritage with incredible treats like dulce de leche, tacos, and live DJ keeping the energy way up. They even had a tattoo artist giving real tattoos. I probably ate like 10 arepas. They were just so delicious. Sally Hansen had a mani station set up and I picked out my favorite shade, Extreme Wear. Total flirt. Color was vibrant and fun, perfect for the nice theme, and even lasted a whole week without chipping. Philosophy was there too, with an engraving station where you could personalize a perfume to take home. My favorite scent was Pure Grace, with a perfect blend of fresh, clean notes that felt so elegant. Having the bottle engraved made it feel really special. I don't think I'm ever going to use it. Later, we moved to dancing. They had salsa dancers who taught everyone some moves, and the vibe was amazing. I had such a memorable night surrounded by positive energy and beautiful people. Right before leaving, they gifted us with forever gold bracelets, the perfect way to remember this night.